Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, we've got Taco Bell refried beans, some oil, some Mexican shredded cheese, and a saucepan. Hey, Mike Foster here, how you doing? Today, it's what the title says. How to make, you know, when you buy the refried beans in the can, they never taste as good as the restaurant or even the fast food places. I'm going to show you the secret to turning canned refried beans into tasting as good as your best fast food and restaurants. It's fast, simple, and easy. Check it out. All right, I told you how simple it was. You open the can of beans, and believe it or not, you put it in the pan. Get it in there. Turn it on medium. The other key is making sure you have good beans. These are cut right from, made from Taco Bell brand. Put these on medium. They're gonna give you 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber. So you mix them in, and here's the first key, add oil. Any kind of liquid will do. You can add a broth, you can add even just water. But the oil gives them something that the cans lack. So simmer this for like 3 or 4 minutes. And then I'll show you how to finish these off. Spend a couple minutes, make sure you're just warming them up, they're already cooked. Here's the last finishing touch. You put some shredded Mexican cheese, some Mexican blend. Not a lot, that's all you need. Then you incorporate this and I gotta tell you, those are gonna be just like you get it at a good Mexican restaurant or your favorite fast food place. But don't take my word for it. Let's take a bite of it. There's a close-up. Let's take a bite, see what this tastes like. There it is. Let's see if this is the same consistency and taste as a restaurant. That's killer diller. I'm not kidding. That's how you do it. Hope it works for you. For more recipes like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Not bad. I'm not kidding. Next he's gonna make a burrito with it. I'm not kidding. I told you it was easy, Baba.